Go home happy with the 2016 Ram 1500. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Ram 1500 strikes the perfect balance between tough strength and passenger comfort. Its fuel efficiency, impressive towing capacity, and safety features make it your go-to vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: touchscreen infotainment system, keyless entry, premium sound system, V6 cylinder engine, satellite radio, backup camera, heated mirrors, bed liner, fog lamps, keyless start. Relax and enjoy getting the job done right in the strong and dependable Ram 1500. Come in for a test drive.